Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Wendy, and I am so pleased to have you here today. Today's little session will be basically on our backs. We'll be working through our legs and a little bit through our core, and it should be just a quick 5-minute session that you could do basically anywhere at any time. So before we get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then go ahead and click that little bell icon to be notified every time I post, which is several times a week. Without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started on our backs. So just lay down. Take your heels in nice and close. Roll the shoulders back, hands down by your side. Inhale. And then as you exhale very slowly, we're going to start to roll our spine up one vertebrae at a time, pressing the hips up to the sky. Inhale at the top, so pause. Exhale, roll it back down. Just finding some articulation into the spine. So try to step your vertebrae down. So inhale, roll it up. Exhale, Inhale here at the top. And exhale, roll it back down. Good. Inhale to pause. Exhale to roll it up. Try to keep those knees squeezing in together. Inhale at the top. And then exhale, roll it down. One vertebrae at a time. Go ahead and pull your right knee into your chest. Give it a nice squeeze. And then extend that leg so that the thighs are level with each other. Hands can be down by the side. A little bit of a tucking of the belly, so press the lower back into the ground. From here, we're just going to drop that leg down so it's almost touching, and then lift it back up, just to the height so the thighs are even. So down and up. Good. Down and up. Down and up. Just a few more there. Let's go another 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pull that knee into the chest, give it a squeeze, and then step that foot down. Give your left knee a little squeeze, and then extend that leg long, pointing the toe. Thighs are even. Hands down by your side. Press the lower back into the ground. Lower it down. Lift it up. Down and up. Good. Try not to let the hips swivel from side to side, so stay nice and steady here. And let's go another 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Squeeze that knee into the chest, and then set the foot down. We're going to pick up both of our feet, coming into kind of a tabletop position here, and then we're just going to go ahead, tap one toe down, bring that leg back up. Tap a toe down, bring it up. Tap and lift. Tap and lift. Tap and lift. Good. Keep on trying to move the knees away from the chest. The further that they are away, the more we're going to activate into the core here. So this is really good for warming up the hips, but obviously it's also working the core. Good. Let's do a few more. One last round each side. Tap and lift. Tap and lift. Good. Set both of your legs down. From here, we're going to use our right hand. Lift the left leg. Press the hand onto the leg. Try to press the leg back into the hand. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. And release. We'll switch. Left hand to right leg. Press. Both of them pressing equally. You can maybe see I'm shaking here with the amount of effort that I'm using. Inhale. Exhale. And release. Let's switch a few more times. So press and release. Press and release. And just remember, you can actually do this without even lifting the head. Release. Press. And release. Very good. From here, we're going to take our hands out to the side. Our left hand's going to come down, our right hand's going to come up, and we're going to just drop our knees over to the right. We're going to come back up through center, sweep the arms back through center. Right hand drops, left arm raises as we drop the legs over to the left. And we'll just switch. Switch. And switch. Doesn't really matter how high up the arms come. It's more that they're just moving in opposite directions. So even if you're just at this kind of 90-degree position, just opening up to that T, that still works just fine. Let's add the gaze. So the gaze is going to go opposite of the legs. Gaze opposite of the knees. Gaze and gaze. Good, let's come back through center. Just squeeze the knees into your chest. Give yourself a little bit of rocking side to side. And we're done. So nice and easy. That's all I have for you today. Hopefully you felt pretty good doing that. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.